Steven here, got Kevin as well
with
Lowcountry Paver. We're here today. We are taking a group of landscape architects, wooden partners. They're based here on the island. They do a bunch of work here locally, designing a lot of the parks we enjoy here locally. We're gonna be out on the LC Paver. We're gonna be doing a little cruising, and we're gonna go explore downtown Beaufort as well. So it should be a great day. We're really excited to have everybody, and it should be a good time.
We've probably been doing this as long as I've been here. We'll take people on cruises, groups of contractors, installers, architects, friends and family.
Many times a year, you know, everybody is always excited to get out on the water. It's a lot of the reason people move to this area and want to live here is to explore this, and we're happy to share it with everybody that we work with. It's one of the big perks. You know, we love working with our contractors and our specifiers, and getting them out, helping them explore the area at this degree is a nice touch. So
yeah, we'll take folks to Defusky. Today we're gonna head over to Beaufort, explore a little bit of downtown Beaufort.
So let's go ahead and get on board. Y'all can come along and enjoy the ride.
I'd like to welcome everybody to the boat. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Captain Tom, but feel free to call me Captain Tom. And we want you to just have a great time on board the LC Paver. Thank you.
Hey, we just pulled up to the marina here in downtown Beaufort. We're gonna hop off and go explore downtown, go to the shops, explore a few of the bars and restaurants, and treat everybody to a great time. Today, venturing on the shops, we stopped by Q Bay, always a great spot. Enjoyed some beverages. They have great food. We appreciate their hospitality, and we had a great time. So now we're back to the boat.
I love the people I work with.
He said he's got a few projects coming up. right.
Thank you
Cheers.
for joining us.
Thank you guys.
Thanks for having us.
Yeah. Cheers over here. Boom, boom, boom. Hey, it was a pleasure. Yeah, thank you.
Hospitality's
Absolutely, man. Thank you. Great connecting with you. Hey, we'll see you. Yeah, you too, man. All right, so we made it back to the dock here from Beaufort. Great day on the water with Wooden Partners. Such great clients. We're very appreciative of all their support. We know they had a good time. So next time, be sure to join us, and thanks for watching.